Guys, something happened.
What happened?
You're... Oh my gosh. What? Run. My car is being crashed. Run, 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 run. Oh, OMG. My car.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Oh my god! Seriously? Of all the times for my car to break. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get disconnected. Oh, never mind. Wow, that was insane. I'm just gonna keep recording and go around. My editor, Leela, will cut things out and change things into different episodes, and you know. Shout out Little Panda, she's my editor, and she's going to be editing this, so you don't have to sit through 30 hours of content. Where's my... Okay, I'll spawn my car.
The episode was just
Okay.
finding someone. Who was it?
Owen. You said a lot. You were supposed to evacuate to a helicopter, and I couldn't make it because my car broke. I'm gonna try to find someone with PvP so I can bump into them. Like Owen, I don't know. He's probably at the racetrack. Cause his newest car is a race car. Come on, he turned off collisions.
Just ran over there. Keep running over him until he turns collisions back on.